Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Ford Ranger Raptor. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You'll need a wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. Make sure you have the correct type of new engine oil and a fresh oil filter. Always prioritize safety by using jack stands and wearing protective gloves. Before you begin, warm up your engine for a few minutes. This helps the old oil drain more easily. Position your drain pan directly under the oil pan. Carefully locate and remove the drain plug using your wrench. Let all the old oil drain out completely into the pan, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the oil has drained, remove the old oil filter using your oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Then, reinstall the drain plug securely, preferably with a new crush washer, to prevent any leaks. Now, using your funnel, carefully pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the fill port. After filling, start the engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick. Add more oil if necessary to reach the full mark.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.